12 super cool bedside table from Ikea. Bedside tables are unsung heroes, keeping your nighttime necessities within reach. Ours come in different styles, so you can easily find a bedside table to match your other bedroom furniture. Some have doors or drawers where you can charge your phone. And here are our best pick for best bedside table from Ikea. 1. Nordly Bedside Table. Tired of looking for misplaced chargers or crawling around to plug them in? This table lets you run the wires through the back, and so you have a bedside charging station without visible cables. 2. HEMNES Bedside Table. A high table that is just as convenient by the bed as in the entrance or as a side table by your favorite armchair. Made from sustainably sourced solid wood, like the other furniture in the HEMNES series. 3. BRIMNES Bedside Table. The BRIMNES collection has its roots in Scandinavian craftsmanship tradition. Classic and freestanding and durable natural materials with nice details and proportions that make them fit in many rooms. 4. Nordkisa Bedside Table. A handy companion for storing books, magazines, or a glass of water by your bed. If you keep your cell phone charger in the drawer, you can run the cable through the drawer handle on either side. 5. NESNA Bedside Table. It fits right in whether it's by the bed or next to the armchair. Made from bamboo, a hard-wearing natural material that adds a feeling of warmth. And the glass surface on the top is just as durable. 6. Tri-Sill Bedside Table. If you can't keep your eyes open any longer, simply lay your book on the shelf. Hide smaller items that normally gather dust in the drawer. Looks great with the other furniture in the Tri-Sill series. 7. Setskog Bedside Table. 4 legs, 2 are on wheels. Perfect if you want a steady bedside table that's easy to roll out of the way when you want to transform your day bed into a comfy bed for the night or vacuum the floor. 8. Lierskogen Bedside Table. Adapting this bedside table to your bed height and storage needs is easy as 1, 2, 3. And since it's so flexible, it will fit nicely by your reading chair too, keeping pralines and magazines close at hand. 9. Vic Hammer Bedside Table. A clean, simple design that fits nicely next to high beds. If a good book has kept you up late, you can quietly tuck it away in one of the soft closing drawers without waking anyone. 10. Tissadal Bedside Table. After a good read, tuck yourself in and tuck a book inside the soft closing drawer. A traditional Scandinavian look that matches perfectly with the other furniture in the Tissadal series. 11. Kvistbro Storage Table. Store things like throws, newspapers, or yarn in the basket or leave it empty to let the design stand out and to create a spacious feeling. Easy to lift and move from the sofa to your favorite armchair. 12. BRIMNES Bedside Table. In the drawer there is room for an extension socket for your chargers. You can run the plug to the socket through the backside. May be completed with other furniture in the BRIMNES series.